Okay, let's see if we can keep this explanation under 3 minutes. So, why did we create a table? Well, the first reason that we created a table is because if you want to store any information in Microsoft Access, you need a table. You need to have uh, this table created with a specific columns worth of information, uh, designated columns that you want to have. So if you want to know the number of widgets that came in on a particular day, that's what we have. And you can always sort by ascending or descending order, or you can actually filter like you can do in Microsoft Access and see things in a different way. But what if you consistently want to see things in a particular way, like from maximum to minimum, or from minimum to maximum, or you have a particular query that you want to have every day? What's the day and the month with the highest number of widgets that were received? Well, for something like that, you could make a query. And a query allows you to take the information that's from a table and arrange it and present it consistently in one specific way that you have decided. So for example, you can say you want the date to be in descending order all the time, or you can add some other criteria here to determine what you're going to see consistently every time you open this query. Now, if you wanted to enter the information in a easy to understand, like a way that a human being would basically look at information, you might want to use a form, because a form is going to allow you to use this space efficiently. If there were 10 or 20 different bits of information that we needed to take a look at, this is not the best way to look at that information in these thin rows in a table. So you would have a form which would allow you to see everything at a glance. Further, sometimes you're going to want to print out the information that you're looking at that you have stored in a table or that you have arranged in a query. And a form, while it's a great place to look at the information and search the information, it's not the best place necessarily or the best way to present information in a way that needs to be printed out or sent to other people or disseminated. So for example, on this report, we can have the day that the report was done, we can have the time that it was done at, we can have totals at the bottom, we can have a header with the name of the form at the top. So all of these are things that it would be difficult to accomplish if we wanted to try to do that in a grid format, like it's often done in Excel. Because in Excel, you end up trying to do all of these different things from a grid. And a lot of people do end up making some very, very cool spreadsheets in Microsoft Excel, but why not have separate objects that accomplish what you want because they're designed to act in that particular way? So anyway, thank you for your time. Goodbye.